Hey everyone, Julio here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will try out this Faber-Castell watercolor set for kids for the first time. So I thought I could give it a try and create something fun with it. I bought it last year and as you can see they are not professional watercolors, they are meant for kids age 6 and plus. It actually included a paintbrush but I gave it away. The box has some information about the product and as you can see here it has information about the colors that are included and they are written in English and German. The case is made of a really hard plastic and has this clear lid and these rubber handles that hold the lid. So this is how the color pans are organized inside of the case. The white color comes separated from the rest and it comes in a tube. I don't know if you can see but the names of the colors are included in the case. And they are written in English as well as in German. The lid is very colorful and it has the name of the brand and it has a blank space so you can write your name. And if you flip it upside down you have 5 mixing wells in case you want to create your own colors. The color pans can be also disassembled in case you want to create your own palette. I think it is a very cool feature if we take into account that it was thought for children. You can also see if the colors go together, if they work well together, that you can combine them, and like in this case you can create your own reduced palettes, let's say. Here I made a swatch off camera and as you can see the colors are very vibrant but they are still pretty chalky, and it's okay because they are not professional watercolors, they are lower quality. And those color dots that you can see there, I think it's because of the quality of the paper. So without further ado, let's create something. I will start off as always by making a quick sketch. And I wanted to create something that will allow me to use a lot of different colors. Once it is done, I start applying the watercolors. I don't know if you can tell, but I had a really hard time trying to mix the colors because they don't blend that easily. Okay, I will be honest, these watercolors are not what I thought they would be. They are pretty chalky. I really didn't enjoy painting with them. They were very opaque. So I guess I was somewhat disappointed, but I was determined to make the best out of it. So I grabbed my color pencils and my fine liner and started with the line art and the details. And this is the final result. It wasn't as good as I expected, but I guess it turned out just fine, so I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.